Every industry is looking for smart solutions to real-world problems using data science, which is why Udacity collaborated with top companies to create the Data Scientist Nanodegree program.
Data science is hugely important to IBM. These are the skills that we need now.
To me, the most exciting collaboration is between people who have deep experience and deep intuition about an industry, and then being able to enrich that intuition with data. I think that is really where you hit the sweet spot for the best kind of business decision making.
The biggest thing that I'm trying to achieve every day is to make sure that the technologies we use in data science are available to everybody.
In this program, you'll build a portfolio of projects focused on real challenges crafted with industry input.
I'm really excited that the project that Udacity and Figure 8 are doing together is focused on disaster response. And that's going to help us have a positive impact in the world as we respond to future disasters.
This portfolio can get you connected to valuable new job opportunities.
It is a wonderful opportunity because the people that are just enjoy learning, want to sort of level up, and then also have an impact.
What I think that the most important skill in a data scientist is curiosity and the ability to go and find your own answers when they're not immediately evident. And I think that people who come in with the Udacity training are already really demonstrating that because you're unafraid to go and teach yourself something new.
Take the leap forward with Udacity in collaboration with industry leaders.
And take your career to the next level. There's no better time than now.